Welcome to Mama's Smart Kitchen. Today we are gonna see how to make stuffed paneer idli. Heat a pan, pour 1 teaspoon oil, add half teaspoon cumin seed, add half teaspoon finely chopped ginger, add onion 1 finely chopped. Stir until translucent. Add 50 gram grated paneer. Stir for 30 seconds. Add salt to taste. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Add half teaspoon chili powder. Add quarter teaspoon garam masala powder. Fry till the mixture is completely dry. Add 1 tablespoon green peas. Add 1 tablespoon finely chopped coriander leaf. Stir for 20 seconds. Add half teaspoon chaat masala. Stir for 30 seconds. Mash all the paneer and pieces. Stuffing is ready. Heat the water in a idli pot. Let the water boil. Take homemade idli batter. Take a idli mould. Grease the mold with oil. Fill half of the mold with idli batter. Take a little paneer mixture and place it on the batter. Lightly press the stuffing. Cover the stuffing with a batter. Idli ready for steaming. Place the idli mold in a idli pot. Steam idlis for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, check out the idli. Transfer hot idli in a plate. Serve it with any chutney. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share it with your family and your friends.